Hi, my name is David Drazil and I'm an architect who loves to sketch. I'm also a content creator, author, and teacher. I've produced illustrations for books, design studios, and apps. In addition, I founded Sketch Like an Architect, a project dedicated to reviving values of drawing by hand. I'm fascinated by how buildings come to life, from nothing but a concept to something tangible and real. My favorite definition of a designer is someone who solves problems and communicates solutions. I truly believe that hand sketching helps in both of these responsibilities. First, it sparks ideas and helps to visualize an environment so that other people instantly get it. Moreover, it's much faster and time efficient to grab a pencil in a meeting and sketch out your proposal than to compose it from scratch with a computer. But of course, at the end of this process, the graphic programs really allow us to improve the design and make it more precise and easier to share with others. In this Domestika course, I will teach you how to create an architectural illustration by combining analog and digital media. I'll guide you through various drawing techniques and digital tools all the way to the final project. We'll start with the question, what makes a good sketch? I'll introduce you to composition, perspective, design principles, and color theory, and I'll show you some good examples. Then, we will begin to develop the sketch, paying attention to the drawing fundamentals we discussed previously. With Photoshop, we will clean up the image, add colors, textures, and the final touches. Finally, you will also learn how to display the outcome in various mock-up scenes. By the end of this course, you will have learned an effective workflow to free your creativity and develop your unique style of illustration. To practice with me, no previous experience is required, but basic Photoshop knowledge will be useful. Develop ideas through sketching and create a unique visual style for your illustrations.